Go get on the other side and pull from that side. I'll hold it.
I'll record.
Up on the mountain, I see down below. It's easy to lose yourself, I know.
So this is the 3-valve. You excited, man? Car mod day.
Pretty excited.
How excited? How many horses are you gonna gain from this?
Solid like 1,000.
What's going on, guys? We're here with my boy Burrito, and if you're new to the channel, let me play a quick clip of who Burrito is. Oh my god! You were so close to hitting. You were so close. Hey, wait. It's fucking loud, man. Oh my god. God dang, dude. You got a gun back there or what? It's fucking loud, dude. So we're installing a Roush cold air intake and a GMS throttle body, even though I've never heard of the
62mm.
I've never heard of the brand GMS, so your car's probably gonna blow up.
I got it off American Muscle, hopefully.
Did you really?
Yeah, I did.
Oh wow, I didn't know it. So Roush cold air intake, and it's a 3-valve, guys, so I'm not a 3-valve hater. Because a lot of 3-valve guys tend to talk shit to V6 owners. Like this guy.
Fuck you. Where's my extend? You have any 3-valvers on your channel?
Any what?
On your channel?
Any what?
3-valve guys?
I think so. I have like 5.0 guys. Oh, what was that?
ESPN.
I even have Lamborghini owners.
No, you don't.
I know. When are we gonna take this guy out for a joyride?
Whatever you want, we just turned around earlier.
Did you really?
Yeah, we did.
Hell yeah. We should take it to the drag strip.
I'm gonna dyno tune it.
Little two little things.
What? Show me.
One for the supercharger.
Holy.
The guy took it off.
Too dark.
That's expensive for us to get one.
Oh yeah, superchargers are super expensive. So it's a supercharger.
Look at this.
Damn, you're gonna get more airflow in that thing.
Dang. So what's the measurements on the new one?
62mm.
62. So what do you say?
Fuck, that's hot. The stock one is 55mm.
Oh, 55. Wow, dude, you're gonna be gaining horses, huh? We don't want no speeding tickets now, right?
Oh. You know, dude, you're gonna get hammered over there.
You think it should be louder? It should.
Yeah, the intake will make it louder.
Can you sell these parts, dude?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to sell them.
How much was your fucking...
Hey, look at Josiah show up.
What's up, man? Hey, man. What's up, man?
Hey.
Look, Ivan, a 3-valve.
Need one more just for fuck you. Where is it?
Oh, it's a Roush.
Roush intake.
2mm throttle body.
Yeah.
Was there any?
Yeah. This is why we invited Ivan.
Yeah.
He's the brains of the operation.
Later on, but I can tell you right now, you're gonna call this a 1 out of 3 wrench in the difficulty meter in about 45 minutes of your
How many
time.
guys does it take to install a
The
throttle
GMS throttle
body?
body has slightly noticed after installing. This is made from a cast aluminum, not steel, so it's lightweight. It's also gonna have this natural finish for underhood looks.
So close, so close.
It's still caught down there.
Oh, God,
There we go.
Let me just get this side a little.
Tight fit.
He pulls it off.
Look at this side, look. It still needs more.
Go get on the other side and pull from that side. I'll hold it.
I'll record.
The bottom won't go with you. It just little by little. Thanks, man.
You're welcome, man. Coming along great, coming along great. You guys are doing a really good job.
Oh yeah.
I'm just documenting.
Don't run away.
Where's that from?
Some faggot that tried to do for
Definitely not me. Alright, Uber Eats is here. How you doing, sir? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Alright. Here we go one. He's like, Matt? I was like, yeah. He looked at me all scared. I was about to jump him.
Old ass man.
It was cool. Alright, here it is. Hey, you better stop pissing off the neighbors.
I thought it was Uber Eats.
The neighbor, huh? Yeah. I told you. Turn it off.
That's her window right there.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Anybody's doing it by your, it's fucking kind of crazy. And people working on it.
Little test drive. Man, that thing's loud, dude. You can hear it. Oh, fuck.
It is loud, huh?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Ready?
Yeah.
There's a bump right here, bitch.
There's a bump.
That's not.
What is that?
Your seatbelt.
Seatbelt, huh?
Oh, it's gonna explode.
Self-destruct mode. Oh my god.
I'm at a solid 800 to the wheel.
By the way, guys, we're in Mexico.
Yeah, this is in Tijuana. Nice, dude. Sick.
Do you feel a difference?
And you know, in the gas pedal, like the throttle response.
Yeah, do you? What do you want to ask him? Ask
So y'all, I have a question. I'm gonna tune my car, but what tunes would y'all recommend for a 3-valve? I don't know.
Bama.
I'm asking now. Fuck Bama. I was looking at VMP, but I want to see y'all's input.
Probably VMP.
Probably.
Because MPT doesn't make tunes, and then Lund's expensive as hell.
I don't even remember we were looking at Lund last time.
Yeah.
It didn't even have my car.
I'm telling you, VMP is a good company.
I'm pretty sure everybody's gonna say VMP.
Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of us installing, my friends installing throttle body and Roush cold air intake on my buddy Burrito's 3-valve Mustang. I know the video was kind of like jumping all over the place a little bit, but hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you found it somewhat entertaining. But make sure you guys drop a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.